gotta know if I'm going insane, 'cause there's life in the wind and it's calling my name. It's magic, wouldn't you know? It's something fantastic, wants to be known, and all that you gotta do.
No Matter What, a poem by Angie M. Flores. There are times when you will upset me and cause me unwanted anger, but no matter what, I will always love you. There are cruel words you might say that will cause me hurt and bring me sadness, but no matter what, I will always love you. There are going to be unwise decisions you make that will disappoint me, but no matter what, I will always love you. There are actions you might act upon that will cause me to worry about you, but no matter what, I will always love you. There will be moments when you will make me cry and bring me to tears, but no matter what, I will always love you. There will be unforgivable mistakes that you bring upon me, but no matter what, I will always love you. There will be lies told me in which you test my trust in you, but no matter what, I will always love you. In life there is all struggles. I love you. A poem by Shannon. You look at me as if I'm the only girl around. You make me feel important and never let me down. You've shown me how to live, how to smile, what to say. You show me what it's worth to love some each every day. So this poem goes out to you for everything you've done, and I hope you understand that, baby, you're